Meaning of express.
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 Express. The word express can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. At its core, the term means to communicate or convey something, often with a sense of urgency or efficiency. This could refer to expressing an emotion, expressing an idea or opinion, or expressing oneself creatively through art or speech. Express can also describe a fast and direct mode of transportation, such as an express train or courier service. Overall, the word express implies a clear and direct communication or action that prioritizes speed and efficiency.